Nuclear fusion, a reaction that provides such a large amount of energy to the sun. Achieving such a reaction has been a dream of many scientists for years. And today we will see about such an invention and will know whether we will be able to achieve nuclear fission by this invention. So let's start the video. I am Shubham and you guys are watching the Terrestrial Tech. Theoretically, through a fusion power plant, we can produce clean and safe energy in almost limitless amount with a little electricity and a handful of hydrogen isotopes. But actually, it is not possible to replicate the fusion reaction in a perfect way because we cannot recreate the gravitational force of a star in laboratories. But in spite of all this, the scientists continued research to make this thing possible and tried to make many reactors. And one such experiment is going on called SPARC, means smallest private funded, affordable, robust, compact. Most experimental fusion reactors are shaped like a donut called tokamak. These designs use powerful magnetic fields to confine the cloud of plasma or ionized gas at high temperature. And the temperature is so high that the two atoms can fuse. This new reactor SPARC is being developed by the scientists at MIT University and Commonwealth Fusion Systems. If this experiment is successful, the SPARC reactor will be the first reactor to achieve burning plasma, in which the heat released from all the fusion reactions will keep the fusion continue without any extra energy pump. But so far, no one in the earth has been able to use the power of a burning plasma in a controlled manner. The construction of the SPARC project, which was launched in 2018, will start in June 2021 and it will start working by 2025. This project is way faster than the world's largest fusion project, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, which was planned in 1985, and by 2007 it's not even launched. Although its construction has been started in 2013, but there is no effect of completion before 2035. Another advantage of SPARC against ITER is that the magnets used in SPARC are high temperature superconducting magnets, which has been available since last 4 to 5 years. These new magnets can produce a more powerful magnetic field than other magnets. ITER magnets create fields up to 12 Tesla, while magnets used in the SPARC generate maximum magnetic fields up to 21 Teslas. The diameter of these powerful magnets of the SPARC are 3 times less than the ITER magnets, and the volume is 60 to 70 times less. The scientists who created it says that this reactor can be carried in the back of a truck. Due to the small size, its weight is also reduced and so its costing. Researchers studied the design of SPARC and performed calculus and supercomputer simulations. And from the studies, it is expected that the amount of energy that is pumped inside the SPARC, this reactor will generate at least 10 times more energy from that. The heat generated by this fusion reactor will generate steam. Then the turbine will be driven by this steam, which will produce electricity. Researchers expect SPARC-based fusion power plants to produce 250 to 1000 megawatt of electricity, which is more than the existing power generation. For now, SPARC will only generate heat, but once the scientists prepares and test the SPARC, then their plan is to build an arc reactor which will convert this heat into electricity. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys get to know new things in this video. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to get the latest notifications, press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.